Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen, and I am bringing this video to you guys on a Sunday. We are getting ready to go into CVS and do a terrific haul, a cheap haul, one that you're going to be very surprised about. I'm not going to do the deals that are in the circular right now. I got to get my coupons together and then work out my scenarios. But I wanted to bring you guys some deals that I thought that you'd like to do that you don't need any coupons at all, and some clearance deals. So one of the deals is going to involve using the Fetch app, so make sure that you download that. If you don't have it yet, no worries. I'm going to put the link in the description box as well as in the comments, so you can just click on the link, download the app, because you're going to end up getting an item absolutely free. And what I really like about Fetch is that you are able to snap any of your receipts, whether it's from a gas station, the corner store, a restaurant, or whatever, and you get points, and then you just use those points to buy gift cards. So I use the points to buy CVS gift cards, Walmart gift cards, and then I use those gift cards to coupon. So it's like I'm just recycling my money over and over and over again. So this would be a great opportunity for you to get a free item as well as recycle some couponing money. So guys, get your phones out, because you're going to need to take some screenshots of these UPCs and barcodes so that you do make sure that you have the correct item. And like I said, you don't need any paper coupons, but you will need your CVS app, because there's a CRT that we're going to use in there. And then there's also a digital coupon that we're going to use. So that all of those things are going to help make your out-of-pocket very low. So guys, let's head in and let's get ready to save. Okay guys, so I am in the store and I am at our first section. We're in the eye care section, and there are 2 items on clearance that we're going to go ahead and grab. You don't need any paper coupons. All you need is your CVS app. So the first item that we're going to get is this Bausch & Lomb Sensitive Eye Saline Solution. And it is regularly $8.29, but it is 30% off on clearance, so it's $5.80. Now you can wait for it to go lower. I'm not, because I'm going to use this $5 off eye care CRT, so that's going to bring this down to just 80 cents for me. So I'm perfectly fine with this price. But if you want to wait to see if you can get a paper coupon, or if it goes lower, then you can get it cheaper. So the next item we're going to get are the AccuView Revital lens drops. And these are actually on clearance too. Make sure you get the dual disinfectant technology ones. And they are regularly $6.49, but they're 75% off, so they're $1.62. Now, I'm going to actually grab 2 of these, because I have a $3 off coupon out of the CVS app. It is a digital coupon, so everyone should have this coupon in their app. So I'm going to grab 2. It's going to come to $3.32. So that means that these are going to only cost 32 cents for me. So I'm going to put 2 in my cart, and I'm going to move on to our next deal. And these are the 3 things that we're going to head up to the register with. So when you go to the register, just make sure that you put your phone number in every time, because this way they track everything you spend, and that's how they send you the different CRTs. So that's how I got that eye care CRT, because I bought eye care solution before. So I'm going to put my phone number in, and that way the CRTs and digital coupons that I clip to my account are going to actually come up and download into the register. And that's how you save at CVS, with having the CRTs in combination with your manufacturer coupons and your extra care bucks. And that gives you a great savings with the combination of the 3. So here you see that the AccuView are $1.62 each, and then the Bausch & Lomb are $5.80. So the total is $9.58. But what's going to happen is she's going to hit total, and then you're going to see my $3 coupon, which is a digital manufacturer coupon, come off for the AccuView, and then the $5 CRT, which is the CVS coupon, coming off for the Bausch and Lomb. And then that's going to bring my total to just $1.10 for all 3 items. That is fabulous, guys. If you divide that by 3, then that's like paying like 39 cents for each one. So let's go over the receipt. So here you see the AccuView were regularly $6.49. You see that they came down to $1.62 and $1.38. And the reason they rang it up like that is because of the $3 CRT that I use. And then you have the Bausch & Lomb that was regularly $8.29. And I used the $5 CRT for that. And then once I move down the receipt, you'll be able to see how they came off. So you see you have the $3 AccuView coupon. And again, that is a manufacturer coupon that everyone should have in their CVS app. And then the $5 off contact lens solution, which is a CRT coupon that I use. So my total was $1.04. We're not going to discuss tax, so we just say $1.04. So basically we paid about 39 cents for each one of these items. So if you use contact lens solution, or you know anyone that uses them, guys, this is a great opportunity to get these at this price. Or even a good time to buy them and go ahead and resell them. You'd have a high profit margin on those. So let's get some more items. So the next item that I want to show you guys are the paparazzi hand sanitizers. Now I'm actually going to show you 2 that are on clearance, but this particular one are the ones that it's like ginger spice or something, and they're regularly $1.99. They're on sale for 99 cents, but it is an unmarked clearance. They are actually 29 cents, and it says spend 20 on any item and get $5 back, 20 on any travel item. Now I don't know if these are going to track or not, but we'll see. But here is the UPC, so you can make sure that you get the right ones. Now I found these in the travel section and also in the front of the store, so you'll have to look different places for them, but I got all that they had. The other paparazzi sanitizer are these. Again, they're the same exact price and everything as the other ones. They're regularly $1.99, on sale for 99 cents, and it's all 3 cents that are ringing up on sale, and they are ringing up 29 cents, just like the last ones I showed you, and they're tagged for 99 cents, so it is an unmarked clearance. So just make sure that you have the right ones. Next is the absolutely free deal, which is our Aleve, and you want to make sure that you download the Fetch app, and you want to get the Aleve spray. Don't get the roll-on, get the Aleve spray. They're $17.49, but if you have the Fetch app and you purchase it and go ahead and scan your receipt, you're going to get 100% back in your Fetch app, and it usually comes within 2 to 3 seconds after you scan your receipt. So I also have a $3 off pain CRT that's going to attach to this, so it's going to actually come down to $14.49, and I'm not sure if Fetch will give me the $17.49 or the $14.49 back. I'm not sure, but either way, I'm happy with it. So make sure that you download Fetch and get your free item. Now, here's some more toilet paper that's on sale. This has been on sale before. It keeps going on sale and off sale. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but it's 70% off. It's regularly $4.99, but right now it's on sale for $1.49. I'm not sure if you guys have used this or not, but I've used it in the past and I'm pretty satisfied with it. I'm not going to pick up any this time because I still have some from the last time, and plus I still have like 200 rolls from the Kleenex 14-cent toilet paper. So I'm not going to get this, but if you need toilet paper, go ahead and grab it. Okay, guys, so I'm back in the car, but I just wanted to show you something. Look what I found. I found 2 more of the Lysols. So like I said, don't forget to keep checking your store for clearance. I found these at a store that I had emptied the shelf at on what, Monday or Tuesday or something. Now, every store is different. Some of the stores when I bought this, they are all 50% off. But some of the stores when I bought them, they were $2.49. This particular store, they are actually $2.75. So let me show you the receipt. So they regularly $4.59 and they rang up $2.75. So that's weird, but either way, it's still a good price for me for Lysol. But let me show you guys the UPC, the barcode, just to make sure that you get the right one. Okay. So I just wanted to show you the receipts so that you can make sure that you're also getting the correct hand sanitizer. And show you that they are ringing up 29 cents. So you can see there. So they're ringing up. They're all ringing up 29 cents. This is a long receipt. Okay. But one thing, the store is tagged saying if you spend $20 in travel size items, you get $5 in extra bucks. Guys, this does not track for that. Although it is tagged that way, it's not tracking, and I think it's because it's clearance. So don't be upset if you don't if you spend the $20 and you don't get the $5 in extra bucks. But that's a lot of hand sanitizer for 29 cents to get to $20. But I'm going to show you that it's not tracking. So you can see on my receipt, it's not tracking. So no worries. Just make sure you go out and get your hand sanitizer for 29 cents. Get your free Aleve and get your Lysol that's on sale, as well as your contacts lens solution. Guys, like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, your family, your neighbors, your sister, your brother, your cousin, church people. Share it with everyone. Let's make sure that everyone's saving, everyone's stretching their dollar. Comment below. Let me know if you go out and get any of these items, or if you already have them, let me know. And let me know how you like the hand sanitizer. I'm a hand sanitizer geek, so I like to try new hand sanitizers and smell them and different things. So I'm probably weird, but that's what I do. So, guys, until the next time, keep on saving.